How to fix Instagram not login in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in this new tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram not login problem easily and fast. So first thing you want to do is open these settings on your phone and then go to the go to the apps manager. On this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Go to the search for Instagram. Click here on this option to force stop running the app. Click on notifications management, disable all the notifications, and then go to the permissions. Make sure that all the permissions are enabled. Go back, click on the data usage. Make sure all those options right here are enabled. Turn them off and enable them again. Go back, and last thing you want to do is click on the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, and the problem must be solved. If it's not solved yet, then the problem is you have to update your Instagram. If you wanna know how to update it, I'm gonna show you how. Just open the Play Store or the App Store, search for Instagram and click on update. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.